Hey folks, how you doing? This is Nick, founder of Sales Lights, here to talk today about how to use the Power of Sales Navigator alongside the Power of Sales Lights. So a lot of the questions that we get is how do I build the perfect lead list of who I should be targeting and reaching out to? So the first place that can start with is your updates on daily Sales Navigator view across all of your lead lists. So the best thing to do is go to your leads or a lead list that you have targeted specifically. If we go here, we can see all sorts of updates, shared a post. They would certainly be commenting on things, reacting to things, and then you can go to that specific lead and immediately reach out to them because you know that there have been updates. So, for instance, this person right here, I'd seen at my post, this person had shared a post recently. Go to their LinkedIn profile. Then you're at their page with that post that you had the alert on and see if this was something that you would reach out on. Go into Sales Light and press generate sales message. And it's as easy as that. Have fun, folks. Look forward to seeing you sell with the Power of Sales Lights and LinkedIn Navigator.